What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed your week this week, and I hope you guys are ready to study on this long weekend to make sure we prepared to get money the very next week. Now, with that being the case, guys, I want to talk to you guys about what happened this past week in the market, how did my options group chat do, couple of things we got coming down the turnpike, and we'll be looking forward to next week. So with that being said, you already know how I go. Veterans of the channel, go down below, drop a comment, like the video. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow, and for that, guys, I appreciate you so much. Newbies to the channel, if you're new to the stock market, you're interested in trading options, you're interested in learning how the game go, I'm your boy, I'm the Options Boss. I'm going to give you the thing from A to Z and really let you know the ins and outs of the thing. So you definitely want to take notes. You definitely want to go down below, subscribe to this channel. You want to hit the notification bell. And every time I drop these Get Money Jewels, you'll get it first things first, right off the press. So you can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day as soon as the market opens. Now, with that being said, guys, listen, nobody's perfect. Superman had kryptonite. It is what it is. This past week, the options group chat for the second time in 21 weeks, we finished red. That's right, guys. I had a red week last week with the plays I called on the spreadsheet. 19 times out of the past 21 weeks, we finished green. This past week was a red week for us. It is what it is. I'm chomping at the bit to get back on the market, in the market, this Tuesday. I can't wait. So definitely looking for some revenge right there. But that being the case, we had a red week. It was a weird week. And the reason why I say it was a weird week is because there was a lot of news things going on. Afghanistan, Biden, whatever the case may be. Delta variant, this new MU variant that they're talking about. Nevertheless, the market continuously pushed up for the most part. But a lot of the push, the market will push in the morning or overnight, and then the rest of the day it would kind of sell off. And we did not adjust to that properly, and it led to us having a red week. That being the case, the market itself is in a very tight spot, and I want you guys to be aware of this. We got some resistance. It's getting really tight at the top. And when I talk about the market and I talk about it being tight at the top, I'm talking about SPY. It has some resistance towards the top of that area, that 454 area. It was a little tough to get through there, like I was hoping for us to get through. And at the same time, it wasn't really falling down much. It would pull back and then it would come back the very next day. And, I think underneath 452, we could be bearish next week on SPY. But if we hold 452, the goal is to eventually push through that 454 zone, 454 and change, whatever, see 455, see 456 to kind of get this thing moving forward again. So that's what we're looking for. And if we can do that, well, whether we do that or not, whether we push through 454 or not, I'm looking for a big week next week in the group chat. I feel real good about where things are. I will tell you guys, I started a $300 challenge last week for my group chat, my paid options group chat. We're going from $300 to 10K without depositing a penny into the account. So that's going to be fun. It's going to be challenging. And that got off to a bit of a tough start last week because of the way that the market traded. However, I also started a long swing chat as well. And that's also part of my group chat. And the long swing chat, guys, I got to be honest with you, it got off to a better start than I really imagined. Now, you guys know I talk about day trading all the time. I'm, really big on day trading, and I'm really big on the benefits of it. So, obviously day trading is right up my alley. And with that being the case, the 300 to 10K challenge, I figured would be right up my alley. And I still think it's right up my alley. But I had more success last week with the long swing plays than I had with anything else. I think overall there's about maybe 7 plays that we're in that's considered long swings. So when I say long swings, I'm talking about they got a 1-month expiration on them. And I think we were green on about 5 of those. And somehow, some way, I magically dropped the ball on giving the group chat a Spotify long swing that I got into. And the Spotify long swing, if you guys traded Spotify at all last week, you know Spotify went crazy. So I was really happy with that. I wish I gave that to the group chat, but somehow, some way I dropped the ball there. Definitely won't happen again. But that being the case, though, the long swings definitely gave me the most bang for my buck last week. So I was pretty surprised by that, but I was happy to see that the long swings were panning out. Like I said, it's basically down to the levels that we're trading at right now. We're either going to go down below 452 and we can get bearish for a day, a week, whatever the case may be, or we're going to go up above 454 and some change, and hopefully we can get bullish. QQQ was strong last week, and it did a lot of what SPY did, going up and then pulling back the rest of the day. But it finished off strong, so I'm hoping that's going to be a good sign for us going forward. I still feel like overall the market is bullish. We do have a couple elephants in the room, as I always say. You got to watch out for this Delta variant. Make sure that's not getting worse, which right now, you know, it is what it is. And you got to watch out for this whole Afghanistan stuff and make sure that don't turn into a war, which is seeming like that's, you know, not going to be what's going to happen right now, which is good. You know, for several reasons, not even just about the market, but just in general, war is something that if we can avoid, it's good to avoid. So those are where we at with that. Next week, I'm looking for us to continue this bullish channel. I'm looking for it to be completely bullish. Hopefully the news will kind of settle down a bit. And if that happens, I'm definitely looking to have a great week. And I want you guys to have a great week. I want you to pay attention to those levels on SPY, though. Those are very important levels. If we could break through 454 and change, and I keep saying change because I'm not in front of a chart right now, but I believe it was like around 454.50-ish. 454.30, excuse me. I believe we was having some turbulence around there. And like I said, if we break below, that's fine. You just, you know, jump into some puts and you'll be good. I am bearish on a few stocks right now, just because a couple of things going on. Roku and Tesla being two. And this is not me telling you guys to go get Roku or Tesla puts. This is just telling you my general thought in the short term of what's going to happen with these stocks. Definitely always do your due diligence with anything that I say. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing I say is financial advice. It's just kind of sort of how I see the market and thoughts that I have on different things. One area where I'm bullish on right now is Coinbase. Right now, the past few weeks, crypto has been going great, and Coinbase has been picking up some steam. Bitcoin has been picking up some steam. And, you know, just different coins overall, ADA, ETH, Poly, are a few things that's been picking up steam, and I think has been leading to Coinbase maybe getting ready to break out again. And if Coinbase breaks out, hopefully you guys are in position to take advantage of that. I'm going to try my best to make sure the group chat is in position to take advantage of that as well. I believe we may even be in that and some long swings. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. I do want to, and I should have done this at the beginning of the video, I want to thank you guys. I want to shout you guys out. My YouTube channel has just became a monetized YouTube channel, and that's a big deal for me. I'm very happy about that. When I first started this channel, the goal was to hopefully get this channel monetized and, you know, to get it to be a stream of revenue. Anytime you can have extra streams of revenue, it's a great thing with this world. This world is a crazy world. It's a tough world. And, you know, with COVID and things of that nature going on, you definitely want to make money as many different ways as you can make money, because you don't want, you know, your job to say, hey, we're shutting down, and then you're stuck. So I'm definitely happy about that. My goal was to be monetized in less than a year. I took a little longer than a year, but I'm fine with that. Reason why I took a little longer than a year is because I had to slow down my production because of the options group chat, but I'm fine with that because the options group chat is my baby, it's my passion. I'm definitely passionate about it. But at the same time, I am passionate about YouTube and the content I put out. I do hope that a lot of this content is helpful for you guys and make you into better traders. So with that being said, I do want to thank all of y'all that like my videos, subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos, share my videos, for y'all helping me to get to this point, because it's really an amazing thing and I'm so happy for it. And I know that none of it is possible without you guys who are watching me say this spill right now. So I definitely appreciate y'all. and I got love for y'all. And anything I can do to help y'all, options advice or whatever the case may be, stock market advice, I'm always around. You guys know that. I'm pretty easy to find. I definitely want you guys to be on the lookout for next week. Look out what we're doing as far as SPY, so you can understand if you need to be in calls, if you need to be in puts. This past week that just ended, like I said, we had a lot of that, pre-market push up and rest of the trade day pullback. So you want to watch for that next week and hope that that does not continue. I'll definitely be looking out for that for myself and my squad, and making sure that we don't fall victim to that for a second week in a row. Guys, you can always be a boss with the options boss. You all know I'm a holler when I holler.